Hello. We are going to be learning about some coins today, money. We're going to be sorting some coins and learning what the differences are. So we're going to start with the penny. And the penny, I have really big ones to show you. Okay, the penny is copper brown. And if you look on the back, you look really close. Do you see in there? Do you know who that is? That's Abraham Lincoln. Okay, and this is the Lincoln Memorial. So you can look really close at a penny and see the Lincoln Memorial and Abraham Lincoln sitting right on the inside. Now the rhyme for penny, you can say it with me if you know it, goes penny, penny, easily spent, copper brown and worth 1 cent. Okay, and you hold your finger up because it's worth 1 cent. Okay, say it with me. Penny, penny, easily spent, copper brown and worth 1 cent. Easily spent, it's not worth that much. It's worth the least out of all the coins, just 1 cent. So that is our penny. Next, we have a nickel. Okay, and the nickel is worth 5 cents. The iPad's falling. Okay, nickel is 5 cents. So say the rhyme with me. We go nickel, nickel, thick, and you hold your belly like this, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents. I know that. Okay, so let's say it together. Okay, nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents. I know that. That's our nickel. The next coin is the dime. It's the littlest coin out of all of them. Okay, so here is our dime. Okay, and our rhyme says dime, dime. Use a little higher voice. Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10 cents. Okay, our dime is 10 cents. You hold up 10 fingers. Okay, so we say dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10 cents. Okay, our next coin is the quarter. Okay, the quarter is the biggest coin out of these four. Okay, so that makes it easier to distinguish, pick out of a group of coin. It's the biggest one, and it's also worth the most. Okay, so we say quarter, quarter, big and bold. You show me your muscles, big and bold. You're worth 25 cents, I'm told. Okay, so we go quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25 cents, I'm told. Okay, so we have our 4 coins. Let's say them together. We have a penny, we have a nickel, we have a dime, and we have a quarter. Okay, now I'm going to show you the real money, okay, and how we can pick them out. So I have a little bag of money here. And this one, what is the name of this coin? Good, it's a penny. It's worth 1 cent. We'll sing penny, penny, easily spent, copper brown and worth 1 cent. There's our penny. Next, we have a nickel. There's our nickel. We say nickel, nickel, thick and fat. Show me your belly. You're worth 5 cents. I know that. There is our nickel. There's the front of the nickel and the back of the nickel. Okay, and I want to point out that the nickel is smooth on the edges. That's really important. Do you see that smoothness? Okay. And I'll show you in a second why that's important. So remember, the nickel is smooth on the side. All right, next we have a dime. And it's the thinnest one. Okay, it's really thin. And it's the smallest one. There's the back of the dime and the front of the dime. So we say, dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10 cents. Okay, there's our dime. And the big and bold one. Do you remember what this one's called? The quarter. There's the front of the quarter and the back of the quarter. And some backs of the quarters are a little bit different. This one has the eagle on it, but there's state quarters too, and those all look different. Okay? So the easiest thing to pick out the quarter is the edge. And if you look really carefully at the edge, it is ridged. Okay? You take your finger, if you go like this, you can hear the little ridges. If you remember, I said the nickel was smooth, okay, no ridges, and the quarter has the ridges. Okay, so if you can remember, the quarter has the ridges. That will help you be able to pick out the quarter and the nickel, okay, because they do look kind of similar. The quarter's bigger, the nickel's a little bit smaller, okay, and the nickel is smooth on the edge, and the quarter has ridges. Okay. So our quarter song is quarter, quarter, big and bold, you're worth 25 cents, I'm told. All right, we're gonna go through our little book here. Okay. Penny is worth 1 cent, nickel is 5 cents, and the dime is 10 cents. Okay. We have a quarter. There's the front of the quarter and the back of the quarter, and we know that's 25 cents. There's another coin that I didn't show you, but it's called a $50, and it's actually bigger than the quarter, and that one's worth 50 cents. You don't see those too often, though. Okay. So we have penny, nickel, dime, quarter, $50, and 1 cent. This C with a line through it means cent. So we have the front of the penny, the back of the penny, and it's worth 1 cent. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, you're worth 5 cents. I know that. And then we have our dime is worth 10 cents. Our quarter is 25 cents, and here is the 50-cent piece. That's 50 cents. Okay. Can you say them with me? Penny, 1 cent, penny. Nickel, 5 cents, nickel. Dime, 10 cents, dime. Quarter, 25 cents, quarter. And then $50, 50 cents, $50. Okay. You have two options of things you can do next. If you have a bag of money or some coins sitting around the house, what you can do is I want you to sort them. Okay? So you're going to put them out on a table, and you're going to pick out all the dimes. Oopsie, dropped one. You're going to put all the dimes together in a pile. Okay? Then you're going to pick out all the pennies and put the pennies in a pile. Okay? Then you would pick out all your quarters and put your quarters in a pile. And what's the one I'm missing? The nickel. Yeah, so you pick out all the nickels and put the nickels in a pile. So you have 4 piles of coins. Okay, you can take a picture of that and submit it into Seesaw. If you don't have any coins at home, I am attaching a Seesaw activity, and you can drag and sort the coins as well. Okay, so either one, or you could do both. Okay, I hope you learned the coins, and thanks for working so hard at home. Good work.